I've been testing FreeTaxUSA for the 2025 tax season, and in this video, I'll give you an honest and straightforward review. By the end, you'll know exactly if FreeTaxUSA is the right choice for your tax filing needs this year. FreeTaxUSA has built a reputation as a budget-friendly tax software, and for 2025, it continues to deliver solid value. The standout feature here is its free federal tax filing, even for complex returns, which is impressive. Whether you're self-employed, have rental income, or need to itemize deductions, FreeTaxUSA doesn't charge extra for federal returns. That alone can save you quite a bit compared to some of the bigger names in tax software. Now, for state returns, there's a fee, typically around $14.99 per state, which is still reasonable. And if you want access to live chat support or an audit assist option, you'll need to upgrade to their deluxe version. But even then, the overall cost remains very competitive. The platform itself is straightforward and easy to navigate. It asks you clear, simple questions to guide you through the filing process. While it may not have as many bells and whistles as some premium tax software, it covers all the essentials and gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. One thing to keep in mind, FreeTaxUSA is primarily a DIY platform. If you're someone who prefers a step-by-step handholding or wants to chat with a tax expert on demand, you might find it a bit limited. But for confident filers looking to save money, it's a solid option. To sum it up, if you're looking for an affordable, no-frills tax filing solution that won't break the bank in 2025, FreeTaxUSA is definitely worth considering.